PeaRoy, it's kind of nice sitting out here on the front porch while it's raining.
Well, you know what? It sure is. It's a nice.
Yeah, it's pleasant. Probably ought to do it more often. What do you think?
I think that's a good idea.
Well, you know, we're always talking about dad jokes. Yeah, dad jokes. Well, you know what it is that makes a dad joke?
No. What makes a dad joke?
Oh, well, when it becomes apparent.
When it becomes apparent. Huh?
I know, it's kind of stupid, ain't it?
Yeah. Got nothing?
Well, can you tell me why you shouldn't write with a broken pencil?
Why? Well, I don't know why.
Well, it's pointless.
Oh, pointless.
Yeah, you go ahead and tell me one.
Alright, you want to hear a couple of short jokes and a long joke? Joke. Yeah, that ain't good.
I almost wish I hadn't heard that joke.
Do you know what a dentist calls an X-ray? A toothpick. Yeah, a toothpick.
Alright, I tell you what. Why don't you go ahead and tell me your long joke? Alright?
Okay.
Tell me your long joke.
Alright, well, one time there's this fella and he's riding along in his car. Police pulls him over. Police looks in the back seat and it's full of penguins.
Penguins?
Yeah, penguins.
Really?
And the police officer said, you know that ain't right. Said, you ought not be hauling them penguins around.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he said, you need to take them to the zoo. So the fella said, well, all right, I'll take them to the zoo. So next day, officers riding along there and there's the same car. Yeah, pulled him over.
Pulled him over again.
And he looks in the back seat and there's all them penguins. And he said, I thought I told you to take them to the zoo. And he said, well, I did. And I'm gonna take them to the show this time.
I took them to the movies. I wonder what they went to see. All right, well, one time there's this woman, see, and she got on the bus with her baby.
With a baby, huh? Okay.
So she put her money there in the pay thing there, and the bus driver looks at the woman and the baby, and the bus driver says, "Woman, I'm gonna tell you what, that's one of the ugliest babies I believe I ever saw."
Who did? Oh my goodness. Ugly baby.
Told her the baby was ugly.
Oh,
So,
no.
Why, she stomps off to the back of the seat back yonder, and she sits down, and there's this man sitting there next to her, and says, "Lady, what's wrong?" Well, the lady says, "Well, that man up yonder that took my money, and the bus driver, he just insulted me."
Why, yes.
The man says, "Insulted you?"
Yeah.
Said, well, I tell you what, you go back up there and give him a piece of your mind. You just tell him what for. I'll hold your monkey while you go.
I'll hold your monkey while you
Yeah. I'll hold your monkey while you go.
Oh, no, that ain't right. That ain't. Oh,
yeah,
wow.
I know.
Joe, it's pretty out here, ain't it?
Yeah, it's nice out here.
Yeah.